Welcome again to the second lesson of Impact-Linked Finance Essentials. We've come a long way in exploring how ILF moves from design to practice. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to, first, understand what makes an effective ILF design, and second, grasp how ILLs and SIINCs work and what are their benefits for everyone involved. Time to get started. As we reach the final chapter of this lesson, it's time to wrap up with an essential instrument in the ILF toolbox. Let's now shift our focus to SIINC, Social Impact Incentives. SIINC rewards enterprises for achieving predefined social outcomes with cash payments. These payments are typically provided by public or philanthropic funders, also called outcome payers. The idea is to incentivize enterprises to focus on their impact while they scale with mission-aligned investment. A similarity to blended finance comes into play here, as SIINC combines catalytic capital, public or philanthropic funding, with private investment to drive positive impact. In a SIINC transaction, there are 5 key stakeholders. 1. Outcome payer provides non-repayable funds to reward the enterprise for achieving impact. 2. Enterprise, the recipient of the rewards once impact targets are met. 3. Investor, provides the investment to support the enterprise's core activities. 4. Verifier, confirms the impact targets are met and ensures transparency. And last but not least, the transaction manager who manages the entire SIINC process and ensures that all stakeholders are aligned and the transaction runs smoothly. Each of these players has a distinct role that contributes to the success of the SIINC transaction. Let's end with a concrete example of SIINC in action. To illustrate how SIINC works, we'll use a fictional enterprise, WaterPure Solutions. WaterPure installs water purification systems in rural areas in Eastern Africa. Their goal is to expand to more remote areas, but investors are hesitant because of the perceived risk. To overcome this challenge, Global Water Foundation, an organization dedicated to clean water solutions, decides to support WaterPure using SIINC. The transaction manager, Impact Solutions Limited, helps set up the SIINC agreement. Together, they define the impact targets. Number 1, growing WaterPure's remote customer base. And number 2, ensuring the quality of the water purification systems. The foundation rewards WaterPure with cash payments as they meet these targets, helping them scale while maintaining high impact. We've taken a closer look at how impact-linked finance moves from design to practice. To deepen your understanding, make sure to engage with the assignments, readings, and reflections. This sets the stage for what's next. Seeing ILF in action.
Today we unpack 2 important ILF instruments, impact-linked loans and social impact incentives. We also highlighted key design principles that guide these instruments and how they encourage outcomes, additional impact, and reward the value creators. Understanding these instruments and principles is essential for creating effective, impact-driven finance solutions. This sets the stage for our next lesson, where we'll explore how these concepts come to life. So stay tuned for a lot of real-world input and exciting use cases.